Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use paste link in Excel. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have data. Simply select the entire data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. Or the second way, simply select the inside the cell and you can use here the Control A to select the entire data. Then use the Control C to copy this data. Then select the destination where you want to paste the link of this data. So I just select this cell, then right click on the mouse and click on the paste special option. Just click on it and here you can see the dialog box is open. Then here you can see the bottom side have one option, paste link. Simply click on it and here you see your data link is pasted here. Okay. So now if you edit here something, suppose I edit here, you can see the total price 3457, same as here also 3457 showing. Okay, I enter here the 2345. Okay, and when I press the enter and change date, same as here also change. So data is the link of this data, paste data. Okay, if you want to check it how, so simply select the any cell in this data and press the F2. You can see only here the cell is selected. Okay, you can see it's linked. When you change here, it's automatically change here also. See, okay. So this is a way you can easily paste data with link and you can check the accordingly the details of changes. Okay.